In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top you can select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!